You do the best hype you can.
Cool, man.
Are you finished, Dougie? Right, hello everyone. Now, a couple of weeks ago you saw me do a prank on the boys in the office. I'm really not looking forward to this with the one chip challenge. I'm going to do it. I said, Simon said to me, this numpty here, look, he said, you won't do it. I said, go and get me some milk. And he will. Left the office, just came out with some milk. Now I've got to do it. I said I would. Right, let's put this down. Oh, in here, I have, they are just, it's just, look at this black. It just looks like pain.
Why don't you do 2?
I'm not doing 2. It's called a one chip challenge. It's the hottest thing you can possibly buy. I think it's like a death nut, but it's like a bigger surface area. The two lads that we pranked on video, we'll put the link for that in the comments below. They said they've both had a death nut and spat his out anyway. Cam, I trust Cam, said this is much hotter than the death nut.
Did Ant eat the crisp?
No, he did the hamster chew in the side and spat it out again.
No.
Yeah, he's useless. Anyway, so I've got my milk and we're here and I'm going to do it. Get in the comments now and let me know if you think I can do it. I know this is just going to hit me like a ton of bricks. I'm going to be in big trouble. But what should I try and do? Like, how long should I try and do with a straight face?
Yeah, what's the
I don't even know what the game is with it. Like,
let's have a look in there.
it looks,
Oh,
it just looks horrendous.
get it in there.
Look, oh my God, look at it. That is it. It's like devil's fucking dust on that as well.
Put that on your tongue.
No way. So, here it is. The one chip challenge. How difficult can it be? I'm not a man. I just got a whiff of it. Oh, do you want to come? Okay, again. Do you want to try some of this?
I've already done it.
Ah, he's already done it. No, he hasn't. Dougie, do you want some? Do you want to try some? I'm actually nervous. Right, what's the idea of it? Dougie, do you know the rules with it? Do you have to just eat it?
Eat 2.
Eat it and chew it or what?
Eat it. Just chew it in your mouth.
Just eat it.
Just put it in your mouth.
That's what she said.
Crunch it up in your mouth. That's how I did it, and then swallow it.
Eat.
Good day.
Have you finished? Are you finished?
Good day.
Right, ready? I'm gonna try and do.
Just stop talking about it and do it.
Right, I'm gonna try
Just put it
and
in.
I'm gonna try and do no facial reaction for at least like 30 seconds. Okay?
Okay. That didn't last long.
That is fucking horrendous.
Your face has gone so red. No milk.
Where's the milk? Give that milk back.
That was really slow.
First impression, that's well hotter than the death nut.
Oh, you lasted 38 seconds without milk.
It doesn't even kick in yet. It's a really bad idea. Oh.
You gonna be sick?
On a scale of 1 to 10, that is. That's really bad.
Can you get the milk off your lips, please?
I have to come back to me after. That's it here. It's so much worse than a death nut. The pain is ferocious.
How you doing? It's all done chops.
Worst thing I've ever done, my Tyler. The pain is like horrendous. It's like
I can't look at you like
the back of your throat. Welcome back, everyone. This is the day after the one chip challenge. To say it went pretty south after filming is a bit of an understatement. I really struggled with that one. Way after actually doing it, it took about 35 minutes to stop actually hurting my face. And then my stomach was rolling around all night. I had serious issues at home on the toilet. I've had ring sting this morning. I still don't feel right now. I feel pale. That challenge is truly horrendous. Much worse for me than the death nut. Now, I know you guys are probably at home saying, what an absolute pussy. I don't like spices at all. That got me bad. The panic set in really quickly. It's such an intense, fiery heat. There's no escaping it. And I had an instant regret after doing it. I don't know why I did it, but it took a bow down to peer pressure. So I felt I needed to conclude that video a little bit and say hello, make sure you all know I'm still alive, only just, may I add. But that was absolutely dreadful. The one chip challenge, not again. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that video. Remember, get in the comments now and tag someone you think could take that on. I may even have a couple of chips left in the car. So give this video a share, tag your mates, and I might send you a couple of those. Thanks for watching, everyone.